Oh, Tamina has been passionate, not so much about Tozawa as her pursuit of the 24/7 title.
Tamina's got her priorities straight, is what you meant to say.
We had a moment.
Yeah, I felt it too.
You did?
Listen, I want what you want.
You do?
Of course I do. I want the 24/7 championship. Don't you want that for me?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Then make it happen. Okay?
You know, that was very productive for the romance growth of Tamina and Tozawa. You gotta have communication. That's the foundation of a successful relationship.
Whoa! Let's go! Are we really gonna see a game of chicken on Monday Night Raw?
Tozawa needs to get a deeper squat on.
What are you implying?
There we go.
Oh! Easily done by Tamina.
Yeah, this is all legal in a tornado tag team match. All four competitors in the ring at the same time.
Oh, nice move by Tamina.
Matched by Dana Brooke.
Like human Jenga right now.
Little teamwork there. Sending Tozawa right in to Tamina. Oh!
Handspring elbow delivered by Dana.
No.
Poor Tozawa.
Not the love he was expecting.
Oh!
Reggie defends the 24/7 title.
Reggie's not the champion, Dana Brooke is.
And Reggie!
Looks
Tonight,
like
Dana Brooke's not going to lose it.
Looks like Reggie's got to get back behind the counter and serve shamrock shakes. It's that time of year, right?
Your jealousy is so apparent.
Talk about his outfit, Saxton, you fool.
Exactly. Wish he had his style. Can someone check on Tozawa?
Yeah, let's be honest. Let's talk about this. Poor Tozawa was an unfortunate victim of some happenstance and, let's say, not necessarily great head placement.
Tozawa can't even walk.
Fortunately,
Oh, how sweet!
This isn't going to help.
Look, find you a woman who will pick you up when you can't walk.
well, early